At least 3 people don't die inside Osun State after armed robbers go storm Access Bank and UBA Bank for that side. And according to eyewitnesses, then these armed robbers wake up, they did more than 20. That these people, they go attack them for this bank, and they even spend more than hours for this place. So the thing we can even surprise everybody for this whole matter where they happen. Police station, they next to these 2 banks. So Access Bank, 9 be this, police station, 9 be this, then UBA there for the next place. But upon all this thing where they happen, police they there, but they hear say armed robbers they attack. Now then these people put their uniform, decide say they want jackpot. My people beg, make now follow me watch this one.
Gunshot on this car. This is gunshot. This is another car. This is gunshot. It was a very serious, heavy attack. And mind you, we are surrounded by 2 banks. This is Access Bank. It was attacked too. We have filling station here, and the next one is UB over there. This is the station. They use dynamite, they blow everything up, everything up. They blow up everything. You see this bloodshed. A constabulary was killed today. They killed 1 constabulary. This is the blood. He was killed outside there.
Osun State, it be like say on armed robbery, now be 5 and 6. Then these people for this side, they know they fear to carry gun, especially to enter inside bank. Just 3 months ago, then these same armed robbers carry themselves, say they go Ikiri. They go Ikiri inside Osun State, still go rob some people for there. Now they can't carry themselves now, say they go Iwe. Go that place again, go, I beg, waiting on a defend all these armed robbers. And we got to say the kind of where they carry, no be only money. People valuables where they carry go this bank, now there they go bust all of them. And if you now so shooting, I should say all of now see the video now. See as they don't scatter everywhere, like say they don't even plan everything. Now what to make me the reason say all these armed robbers, it be like say they plan everything before they cooperate. Sometimes it be like say the manager plus the security guard, they know what they happen. Because how be say person go just come there, you no go plan anything. Security there for this bank, but all of a sudden you no go see security again. I'm not surprised that this police they jackpot for their life because I beg who won't die. Maybe then this police now get family for us, they go reason them. Now what to make them go wrong, come out. But I beg a government, I be whoever supposed to find what to do about this Osun State of a place. The way there's a big rob, I don't know what them and South Africa, they supposed link them up together. They're supposed to be brothers and sisters because they can't rob with it, they go on for there. And not be say small rob where we say they go just thief you, they go thief you where we say, on ourselves go no see this one a real thieving business that they do. And I beg police way free. When they come be on our own advantage, I beg I won't even they talk about. On our way, we are supposed to protect people for there. At least the best thing we are supposed to call for backup. As per thief, they and I go call other people say, okay, this kind of thing they happen. No be saying I go pull cloth. It just shows say on a day very incompetent. It shows say on a no even sabi on a work well. Because if a police as a person, you pull cloth, I beg what you can't expect. People where they inside the bank, what thing I expect me they do? What thing I expect me they do? Because they say they go they fear. On our way, we're supposed to protect them now. You know if you protect anybody. This our country, it just they spoil every day by day. Everything just they now what I know they take for bank. Best just go use paga. Because people say armed robbers now they hungry don't their country. So everybody now any means for them to thief take them money. Now what did they find? Behind our army now we go rent, maybe they secure police station. We don't know as we go take one. Because the way things they turn into now, we never know as behind our God self go call. Make one they protect us. And all these banks, I think say the best solution, may they close down for Osun State. Because if I say now they are major targets, banks. And then the target banks, they don't know say people they carry money come. Now there they go face. So best thing, make now just close them down. And to people who don't die, I could say rest in peace to honor so. My people, I hear this story, as make I bring and come. Make na service na here. Here what they happen. Anything when I feel about this matter, make not forget to write them inside the comment section. Make not forget to like and also share this video. I go see you now for the next video. University of Benin auditorium just catch fire, and as the thing they happen, they never even 2 days sure say na this thing na cause fire. They just see say fire just start to form from that side. But luckily we go thank God say nobody die for inside this kind of thing. Say everybody manage escape come outside for this fire outbreak wey happen. Now there the staff, some people wey dey around this place come outside, they give thanks. So say thank God, say their body no go roast into pieces. So because the kind fire wey come outside, na serious one. My people beg, make na follow me watch.
Office, my office caught fire. We were inside the office, so God Almighty,
thank you, Jesus.
don't be me there here again, Uniben work no go kill me, Father Lord, see all of us,
Thank you, Jesus.
Jesus.
Now true, this work no go truly kill you. You just suppose thank God because of say wetin, say all of una sabi run. Because if say na go just delay small, I sure say this fire go don't even catch everybody. But uncle, how fire go just start all of a sudden? All of na dey inside auditorium, fire can't start. Me I come the reason I say maybe na some students wey no like one. Maybe na dem Ghana can't go send this fire, be throw this fire inside this place. Because I want a reason, because no be saying na something spark. We cause this kind of fire, everything they okay before this fire just start all of a sudden. And I hope say no be the school ways again to talk saying they won't burn some fowls. Because now here all of us they talk say snakes swallow money. We no go surprise now, they will come talk say this fire now don't go burn some kind of fires. So we say it is very important for the school. We know as our Nigeria be say everything now wago. But again, this fire out, it don't dey too much inside Nigeria. If like say any small thing now, fire outbreak don't come. I no come no be na something where they plan to do say okay, any small thing now, make fire come. So that fire service go get work. Because when thing they happen, it don't dey too regular. And in fact, this one na the first time where I go see say fire they happen and fire service come outside sharp come quench this one. They no complain, talk saying they no get water, they no get this one. They come out normal, do everything where they necessary. It means our fire service people, it means that they feel work. Maybe they just purposely they do all this kind of thing, say they go talk say no water. Because if say na another place, this kind of thing go out. If say na Lagos, I be na one kind place. You go down here say fuel no dey motor. I be the water where the water no go reach. It means all this kind of things na plan work. But I beg no be until damages go happen before na go know say na one put things in place. Big school like this, una suppose get all these necessary fire extinguishers around. At least even if na small fire station, make na get them near the school. So that in case of anything, and secondly, make na get this fire alarm where they put inside school. And they watch all this oyinbo fuel, say if fire dey, something go just automatically they spray water. I feel say this school na dey capable. Because this in a big school, na fit even write letter to government, make government sponsor una. And the money go come outside. But even if they bring out this money, some people they go do say they no want spend money. Because of say stinginess, they go won't keep all this kind of thing. But I beg no be until damages go come because if say this thing go happen, we say students die. No be this kind of story we go dey talk. We just thank God say nothing happened to anybody. Now just say thank God, say they sit down for ground. Say nothing burn anybody. If say it go worse like this, now there our people go come outside they cry. But I beg put things in place now. The time where the thing about to cause any effect, make na do the necessary things. Not be when something go don't spoil finish that time or come shine I say now won't do things. My people beg, I hear this one as make I bring and come, make na service in our ear, hear what they happen. Anything when I feel about this matter, make no forget to write them inside the comment section. Make no forget to like and also share this video. I will see you now for the next video.